Our Land Rover stock at the moment is absolutely bonkers. I don't think there's even a Land Rover dealer in the UK that could compete with the level and the quality and the specification level of all our Land Rovers that we've got. Another incredible example just arrived to add to the multitude of incredible, I'm going to use the word again, Defenders that we've got for sale. This is a D250 X-Dynamic SE in Santorini Black, 4,000 miles, 2222, in a new condition, with an SE spec, which is just absolutely phenomenal, with steps, with 20-inch wheels. Another unrepeatable opportunity to get a car that is physically, well, almost impossible to buy. This car's got an opening sunroof. It has got the specification you desire from the SE, being Meridian Sound, keyless entry, electric memory seats. For me, the Matrix lights are a big option and a big must on a Defender because it just gives that lift at the front end with the LED driving lights. It also looks great. But this is an X-Dynamic, so again, the metal bottom sections, front and rear, metal type badging, metal insert into the bumper. All fully colour-coded to the side angles, the bottom sections of the bumpers, so your arches, your bottom section along the side of the car. And it's a Defender, so it's off-road, it's on-road, it does anything and everything. And this is just a lovely example, physically in our showroom, ready for you to come and collect today. With a sliding roof, the X-Dynamic also comes with this metal section at the rear with your towing cover, your towing hooks, left and right, spare wheel, obviously the same design as the wheels on the car. And it's just in a beautiful order. You'll see we've got the Gardex paint protection. The gentleman who's bought this car has had that all done. You've still got your Land Rover presentation box in place with the key rings inside, parcel shelf in place, boot space in the 90, lots of space in the rear. What a car this is. Privacy glass, again, SE spec options, keyless entry into the door, Meridian surround sound, memory seats, fully electric for driver and passenger. Hard wearing seats, of course, is a Defender. It's a rugged vehicle. You've got the exteriors with the leather interior sections on the seats. What a car. And then when you're looking for a Defender, the 3-litre engine is all important, but then this is the D250, so it's 250 brake horsepower. It's got the power to do whatever. This is a short wheelbase, so slightly lighter than 110. It does drive exceptionally well, and it'll do anything you want it to do, whether you're going to pull, add a tow bar and pull something. It does it in style, doesn't it? The steps help me get in. Obviously, this is an X-Dynamic, so it's got different features like the X-Dynamic styling to the kick entry sill levels. And then we've got this massive feature, tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which makes all the difference. You'll also notice we've got black headlining in this car, so it's fully black. Santorini Black exterior, black interior, black headlining. 4,000 miles, absolutely incredible condition. Digital climate control, heated front seats, heated front and rear screens. Obviously this incredible Pivi Pro operating system with reverse camera, 360 3D surround view camera, wireless smartphone interface. As modern as it gets for an operating system, these cars, off-road, on-road cameras. Just an incredible car. And if you don't know the Defenders, it's using obviously the most up-to-date Land Rover technology. If you own this car, as you own it, it'll update itself wirelessly. So if there's any software update, it updates on Wi-Fi. So it'll keep up to date with the latest Land Rover technologies, the map displays, everything. It's such a clever car. If you look at the operating system, again, coming back inside, we've got navigation, we've got smartphone interface, we've got media interface. Then we've got all these off-road modes, slope assist, compass, wheel info, wade sensing. Of course, this car is the ultimate off-roading vehicle, so it will do all those things well and better than anything else. Great driving position, great visibility, under Land Rover warranty until 2025, adding to our incredible Land Rover stock. Another fine example which won't last long. Check us out. If you're looking at this video, you never heard about us, you never dealt with us, look at our website, see the cars we sell, see how many Land Rover products we sell. Better than any Land Rover dealer in the UK, offering you better service, better cars, better prices, better part exchange values. Thanks for watching.